see a wad of them out here. I think they're on a shell bed. It's a nice clean spot, good hard looking bottom. There's a bunch of them out there. Typically if I do that, I can grab that seeker. I can grab that seeker and drag it through them. Stay out there. You find those fish on them shell beds, you can drag this seeker down there and they'll eat it. Something you can never forget, every fish is different. Just because you're getting bites on one bait and you fish through this area, it doesn't mean you've got all the fish that'll bite. Fish will react and like different colors that day. Just like you might crave a steak one night or chicken or corn dog, whatever. Switch it up and you can get some more bites. Got a bite immediately. Man, I'm loving my new jerkbait rod.
Pretty slow from Micah Frazier. Hats off to him for battling back after a very tough day number 2. Yes.
Pretty good though. Bait in the face. I need to catch the prototype rod. Yeah, I tell you, wanted to eat it. Boy, something else got a hold of him in the past. Look at his side. Something got a hold of him pretty good. Ripped him all out. It's a good one though. Another 3 1/4. They're all over it. I was gonna say there's a bunch of them all over it. This might be a big one. Look big on the active target.
Such any word from John Cox and nice.
Oh, a good one. There was like one missed it, and I looked over there at the active target, and there was like 6 or 7 of them on it. So. It was just a matter of time for one of them made it.
Your golden moment, but then when they actually start the spawning process, then it gets very, very almost impossible to catch them then, and then they're gone. And all of that can take place in 24 hours, sometimes maybe 48 hours, depends on the temperatures. It goes faster, obviously, with the warmer temperatures. But the actual amount of time that you have the opportunity to really have a good chance at catching that fish is probably, 4 hours or so, most of the time. Baby, I thank you so much for all the great reporting, all the great hosting you've done. Part of the team, they all trust Sunline to take them to the top of the leaderboard. Choose the line that will give you the strength to guarantee your confidence. Sunline. Amazing. Nothing better. It flat out allows me to catch more fish. Power steering and spot lock have revolutionized what we're doing on the lake now. Faster response time. Steering, spot lock, fans, game changer.
Oh, I got him. Oh, real needle nose guy.
What you got for the classic season? Egg cherry, 3PP? I think if it stays cold, egg cherry, sure. If it stays cold, yeah. I think the Rosnick's a dude that's going to catch him.
Put one on a thumping dinger.
Still
Building legends, one at a time. Built for the guy who has everything and needs to tow it.
Should have kept that big perch. I like fresh crappie. Catching them crappie now. 3 crappie. Another one on the prototype Kistler jerkbait rod. These are such good healthy fish. Florida's such a fun fishery when you get on them. So much fun. That one straight smoked that booyah trap. Right at the boat. I mean, just stopped it. I was burning it too. That's exciting when they stop that booyah trap. Oh! Think they ain't eating that trap. No eyes, all scraped up. Booyah trap. Another pretty fish. Golly. Slowed that down for him. Leaned on it, stopped it, and he ate it. Today, because all my hooks are dull and straightened out. This is my practice bait, and that's fine. I don't mind catching them or not. Getting closer to the mess. Going?
Hey, I'm with Florida Fish and Wildlife, just doing a quick survey.
Yeah?
Can I ask you a couple questions?
Sure.
What time did you start fishing today?
Oh, about 10:30.
2:30?
10:30?
10:30? Okay. And Florida resident?
No.
And are you pre-fishing a tournament?
Yes, sir.
Which tournament, by the way?
Major League Fishing Pro Circuit.
And when is that? What date is that one?
March 13th, I
March
believe.
13, okay.
Yep. And
how many have you caught today?
I don't know. A lot.
Have you? I mean, take a wild guess. What'd you catch?
60.
How many?
61 almost, huh?
Really?
I don't know. 60.
What was your biggest?
6 pounds.
That's nice.
Bigger one was yesterday.
So were you catching them here in the hydrilla and stuff right in here?
Quite a few of them are up shallow in the canals and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, there's some.
But then the best of anybody I've talked to since I started doing this job.
Well, I don't know. Maybe they.
What do you use anyway? Chatterbait or something?
I'm throwing a rattle trap right now.
Rattle trap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Catching them on just about everything. Speed worm, jerk bait, rattle trap, chatterbait.
Oh, good.
It don't seem to matter.
Well, thanks for your time. Good luck with the tournament.
Pretty good one right there. Yeah, that's probably a 5.
Nice.
Probably a 4, 4.5.
Yeah, nice fish.
Yep. 61.
That's great. Good luck.
Thank you. There we go. Got another one.
Yep.
That was probably close to 5. Sorry. Well, we're all on our way in here to this boat ramp that we launched at, and we caught one on the way in. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Can't wait for my new signature series jerkbait rod, if you can't tell. A little excited about it. This is a little guy, but he did eat the prototype jerkbait rod. So, come to Harris Chain, fish or biting.